Good morning, everybody. Yeah, good morning. I don't feel it this morning. I don't feel like trading. I'm gonna do it anyway. The market's already open. Just trust me on this. We're in the supply zone. We're about to fall down. Actually, I'll even get a put right now just to show you. And I'll just hold that for right now to show you guys. Yesterday, we did a bear call spread. We said price would not get above this 4315 call. And you can see we closed below it. So we cashed out on all that credit. That's $75. We cashed out on that. Boom. I believe we also did one down here. No, we did a bull put, meaning the price would not go below 4210. We cashed out on that $50 credit. Boom. Alexa, 8.2 times 1.1.
8.2 times 1.1 is 9.02.
So 9.0. It's still at 8.2, so it's not really whatever. We're gonna move these up so we can figure out what's going on. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute. Let's figure out life. We captured this liquidity, so we can close that out. Actually, let's put that back and you can see the reason why. So because it was liquidity right here, this order block is null and void. See, it pretty much blew right past it and then went to the next order block and it reacted here. Liquidity invalidates a lot of stuff, structure, order blocks, a lot. So liquidity is captured, boom. And then we came back to the level and we bounced up off of it. So actually this now has turned into a SM demand. So let's just look at structure. Price of our players, it's pretty much one. Oh, it keeps bouncing around. It's at 8.6, 8.8, 8.4. It's 8.2. It's playing around with me. This was a supply zone, but let's bring it down. Now this is a demand zone. So let's do an S demand. Because remember we flipped. We're above it now, so it's a demand. Let's figure out what's gonna happen today. We got a lot of demand zones. We have a supply zone right here. So let's zoom in on this. And that's actually what we touched this morning. So let's bring it down just a teeny hair. There we go. And we'll push the play up. What's that? A Sept 4315 price right now. If we close is at 8.6 still. So let's just go to the 1 minute and check it out. Make sure we're okay. Yeah, we're okay. We're gonna head down. We need to see, this is the part I was worried about because we had that liquidity right there. I knew this dot was invalid. That was invalid because we had liquidity right there. So we broke this. I don't know if we've broken market structure or not, to be honest. I honestly, I don't know. I know if we break this one, we've broken market structure. So, actually, man, today I don't really want to do a bear call because I don't know where we could go. I can do a bull put. I feel comfortable doing that. I know price ain't gonna go below there. So let's do like 42340 and we can do that. I'm not really just whatever today, man. I just don't feel it. So we can close that at 8.5. That's a what? That's like a $30 profit per contract. It's like what, almost 5%, 4-5%, whatever. That's cool. And that was actually good to close because look, if price breaks this high right here, then we would have to exit that trade. Well, I would exit the trade. You really don't have to exit until you get past this. If price goes up there, GG. I would exit this trade right now though. So we can exit for 8.5. I really want to look at this bull put. Let's go to spreads. I want to raise that. Let's move this up. Cause price is way up here. Price ain't gonna just smack through all that. I mean, if we gonna risk it, we might as well risk the biscuit, you know. So let's put price like right here, and then we'll do like a 4290. Just see what happens. Oh, of course, price gives us what we wanted now. So I'm sure I'll just go back and look just to post it. I would have closed for 8.5 profit just because I don't feel it today. But if you would have stayed in, 4315, price is currently at $900 something. Where it go? 4315. I'm on the wrong one. There we go. Sell 90 and we're gonna buy 80. So we win $100 if that stays in it's $120. We can get this $120 credit if price stays there. So we'll just put that there. And honestly, I'm going in for today because I don't want to today. Sometimes you have those days, man. So honestly, one more thing. Let's look at a Friday expiration. I'm sorry, a Monday expiration, because today is Friday. It's the weekend. Let's actually just look at a so we would pick something that's going to expire on Monday. We could do a 4290. It is a little risk in it for the biscuit. So we could do a 90 and then do an 85 just like we did there. I'm sorry, a 90 and an 80. So sell 80. No, sell 90 and buy 80. There we go. And that'll give us $200 right now. We can hold, see what happens theoretically if we held that to Monday. Theoretically, just theory. So I wouldn't bank on this one, but I just want to see what it would do. Yeah. You have any questions, leave it in the comments below. You have a great weekend. I'm tired. I kind of want to go to sleep, but see you next video.